Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, it's a very easy and affordable hairstyle, which is I spent about $1 for the hairstyle. I first started by using my Cantu hydrating styling gel, after which I was able to pack up my hair and form a knot. Then I covered my hair to allow it to marinate. I used my color xpression, which I stretched and used an elastic band to make a hold on the attach, after which I was able to attach it to my natural hair. Go ahead and section the hair into two. Then the other half part I also had to section it into two again. Then I had to move the other one to the back. Then this part in front is what I needed to use for my bangs, to form my bangs. I really needed the bangs to be very natural, so I didn't need to use a very bulky part, so I needed it to look very natural. I went ahead to use my bobby pin to secure the hair, to secure the part I'm using for the bang. To go ahead and use the other parts that I left to form my bun. Very easy and natural. I didn't want to hold it so tight because I want to have that natural look on the bun. I had to comb the other parts that I left out so it will look smooth. Then I had to use it to wrap around the bun to secure the bun so that the bun will look neat. And I went ahead to use my stretcher, and I made sure that the stretcher is in the lowest heat, like because this hair is a synthetic, to use a very hot heat to stretch it, so I used the lowest heat to stretch it to make it look more sleek. So I had to comb it out just to know if the quantity is okay, after which I use my scissors to trim it down, to trim the tips just to get the desired size and shape that I need. This is basically all that I did for the hair to achieve that natural look that I was craving for. My hair is already hairing, and just look at, just take a look at. Oh my god, girl is looking like a hot chocolate. Basically all you have to do to achieve this look. Just let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. And please don't forget to subscribe, follow us, turn on your notification button, then share this video. Thank you so much.